Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth while others spend their entire lives struggling financially? Is it intelligence, luck, connections, a better job? Most people assume wealth is something reserved for a lucky few. But what if the biggest difference isn't talent, but behavior? The truth is that wealth isn't usually destroyed by one big mistake. It's shaped by thousands of small decisions made every single day. And today, we're going to explore why most people never become wealthy and what separates those who do. Human beings naturally seek comfort. It's part of our survival instinct. But in today's world, comfort has become a trap. Why learn a new skill when you can watch videos all evening? Why invest when spending feels better right now? Why take risks when staying where you are feels safe? The problem is that growth rarely happens inside your comfort zone. Every wealthy person eventually chose temporary discomfort for long-term gain. Most people choose the opposite, and years later, they wonder why nothing changed. Think about school for a moment. You learn history, science, mathematics, geography. But how much time was spent teaching you how money works, how investing works, how inflation works, how debt works? For many people, the answer is zero. And that's a problem, because whether you understand money or not, money still affects your life every day. The wealthy spend years studying financial principles. Most people spend years ignoring them. The results eventually become visible. There's nothing wrong with having a job. Most people begin that way. The problem comes when your entire financial life depends on trading hours for income. Because time has limits. You only have 24 hours in a day. At some point, wealth starts growing through assets, investments, businesses, real estate, ownership. The wealthy learn to make money work for them. Most people continue working harder and harder without ever changing the system. One of the biggest wealth killers is fear. People say they want better financial results, but they also want certainty. And those two things often conflict. Every major opportunity looked risky at first. The stock market, the internet, technology companies, even Bitcoin. The goal isn't reckless speculation. The goal is understanding risk. Because avoiding all risk often guarantees average results. And average results rarely create extraordinary wealth. Most people wait for social proof. They buy when everyone is excited. They sell when everyone is scared. They follow trends after the opportunity has already happened. History repeats this pattern constantly. When Bitcoin was under $1, people laughed. When it was under $100, people laughed. When it was under $1,000, people laughed. Today, many of those same people wish they had paid attention sooner. The crowd often arrives late. The crowd feels safe, but safety and opportunity are rarely found in the same place. Many people spend years preparing, planning, researching, thinking, waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect market, the perfect investment, the perfect opportunity. But perfection doesn't exist. The people who build wealth are rarely perfect. They simply start, they learn, they adjust, and they keep moving forward. Action beats perfection every time. Perhaps the biggest misconception about wealth is that it happens quickly. Social media shows overnight success, luxury lifestyles, instant millionaires. But reality is different. Most wealth is built quietly, year after year. Investment after investment, skill after skill, decision after decision. Small improvements repeated consistently become extraordinary over time. Wealth is often boring, but it works. Most people will never become wealthy, not because they aren't capable, not because they're unlucky, but because they never escape the habits that keep them stuck. Comfort, financial ignorance, fear, following the crowd, waiting too long. The good news? These habits can be changed, and the moment you begin changing them, your future starts changing too. Because wealth isn't reserved for special people. It's often the result of special habits repeated long enough. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future content from BTC Vision. And tell me in the comments, which habit do you think keeps most people from building wealth? Thank you for watching. And remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. See you in the next video.